how to use bluehost.com for WordPress hosting. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can use Bluehost WordPress as a beginner. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to bluehost.com and you will land on this platform right here. Bluehost is an amazing web hosting platform that allows you to host your WordPress and other store and online websites as well. Bluehost works with WordPress and we get WordPress hosting right here. We have all of the options, and today I will be showing you how we can use Bluehost for our WordPress and how you can get your own domain name with Bluehost. So let's get started. The first thing is of course going to be the signing up, and signing up process is really easy. You simply click right here on login, and if you do not have an account, then of course we will create a new account for our Bluehost to do web hosting. So once you sign up, then you have to select a plan in order to sign up. So this is the pricing plan for Bluehost. So we have a basic plan which is going to be $2.95 per month. Then we have a plus plan which is going to be $5.45 per month, and then we have a another plus plan which is going to be 5.45. It was 18.99, but now it's just $5.45 per month. So you can see right here we get one website in the basic plan, and then there are unlimited websites. When it comes to website space, we get unlimited in this one, and then we have 50 GB. We have a domain name which is going to be one domain name, and when it comes to the subdomain names, then we have subdomains, then we have 25 in this one and unlimited in these plans right here. So the pricing is quite reasonable, and to use Bluehost for WordPress, we just need this basic plan. You don't need to kind of like go for the pro or plus plan. You can just sign up with the basic one. You will get a website and you can do WordPress hosting as well. So you will simply select a plan and then sign up for Bluehost. So when we talk about the WordPress, hosting on Bluehost, we get right here, we have a website builder, of course, where I will be able to create my professional website within my Bluehost as well. And we also get a builder with WordPress. WordPress is an amazing website builder if you do not have any idea. So we're getting a website builder. Then we have WordPress hosting. If I go to WordPress hosting, then I will be able to show you more of the features and tools we get. So another amazing thing about Bluehost is this manage WordPress. So what happens is we can not only host our WordPress now with Bluehost, but we can also manage it. We can go ahead and keep track of our website, and we can check out the traffic, we can check out how our website is doing, we can check out the stats. That is really amazing, and Bluehost has added this feature. So you can see for the WordPress hosting, the pricing plan is the same. For one website, you can simply go with the simple plan right here, and then you will get your own domain name. You will get your WordPress integration right here. You simply deploy your WordPress to your Bluehost, and then you simply use your WordPress through your Bluehost. So what are the different tools that are available within this WordPress hosting? So we get automatic WordPress installation. You don't need to install WordPress if you have Bluehost, because you will automatically get the installation. Then we have Microsoft 365. So we get our own email accounts, and this is what I will actually show you in a minute. Then we have a free domain name for 1 year. Then we have automatic WordPress updates, and then we have secure setup of login, get verified on Google My Business as well. So this is a pretty good deal that we get when it comes to the WordPress hosting on Bluehost. So we are getting a free domain name. So let me show you how we get a free domain name on Bluehost and how to search for any available domain name to get for our WordPress. So you can see right here we have our search bar right here. I can simply search for any of the domain names. So all of them are available right here. If I click right here, then I will be able to check a drop down menu. In here we have .com, .net, .online, .site, .tech, .store, .blog. All of the domain names are available. .com and .tech, .info. All of these are available, and when you will be doing WordPress hosting, then you will be actually getting a free domain name, so you don't have to pay for the domain name. Even if you're getting a .com. So how to search for it? You simply have to type in your desired name right here, and then we can simply get our domain name. So let's say I go with thesocialguide.com. Let's search if this domain name is available for me or not. So you can see right here, thesocialguide.com is not available right now. So now I have all of these different suggestions from Bluehost. So we have thesocialguide.net, thesocialguide.org, thesocialguide.tech, thesocialguide.website. So all of these, keep in mind that you see the pricing right here, but once you have bought the plan for 2.95, almost like $3, then you don't have to pay for any of these names. You will get the name for a year, and it will be completely free. So you can select any of the name from here, and this is going to be your domain name. So finding a domain name with Bluehost is really easy, and it really helps you get the best domain name for your online business and for your WordPress website as well. When it comes to WordPress hosting, then there is another thing that we are getting. We are getting our own email with Microsoft 365. So this is really important, and I want to show you. When it comes to WordPress hosting, and when it comes to our professional website or our online business, our store, we want to get everything. So the important thing is your website. So we have a website builder that we will be getting. Then I showed you how to get a domain name, what are different domain names available. Of course, again, you can also create an online store with a website builder. Another thing is the email. You need to have a professional business email, and the good thing is that with Bluehost you will be getting your own email that will help you grow your business. So what happens is you don't have to go ahead and most of the time what happens is that we have to go ahead and use another platform for our business email. Well, with Bluehost you don't have to do that. You will simply choose your plan, and after that you will get your own business email within your Bluehost. So this is really amazing that we're getting an email, and of course business email helps us with our marketing, and it really helps us to grow our subscriber list. So this is how we can actually do the website hosting with Bluehost, and it's a complete all-in-one hosting available on Bluehost, and the pricing plan is also really cheap, and you can actually go ahead and do your WordPress hosting with Bluehost very easily. So go ahead and check out bluehost.com. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and if this tutorial really helped you, then make sure to recommend it to others as well. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also hit the notification bell so you get notified every time the channel uploads a new video. I will see you in the next tutorial. Take care.